Namaskar Gurukulians, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday we discussed so many topics, that was frequency, class frequency, magnitude, mid value, type of series. Two type of series was there, individual series and frequency series. In that series there are two type of series, that is discrete series, that is known as frequency array, and second is continuous series, that is known as frequency distribution. And today our topic is type of frequency distribution. Types of frequency distribution, in which we include 5 types of series. One is exclusive series, second is inclusive series, third is open-end series, fifth is cumulative frequency series, that is fourth, sorry beta, cumulative frequency series, and fifth last series is mid value frequency series. Mid value frequency series. Okay, we shall discuss it one by one. As the name suggests, exclusive series. In this series, upper limit is excluded when you are taking data from the given class intervals and frequency. Suppose such type of series is like this: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Okay beta, suppose one teacher has conducted a test of 30 marks and the number of student was 10. Okay, they score the marks like this: 5, 19, 20, 25, 26, 29, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and one student who scored 28. So how will you make exclusive series of this data? Firstly, you will take the data between 0 to 10. If suppose 10 is here, अगर 10 यहाँ है, it will include when 10 is counted as a lower, not a upper. So here you will see 0 to 10, 1, 2 and 3. Next 10 to 20, 10 to 20 only 1 is here. Rest of will come in 20 to 30. 30 is not here, this is up to 29. All will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I have taken over there? Okay, here was 90, 0 to 10, 1, 2, 3. Here is 19, 19 we have taken over there. Now we have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is we have taken. Suppose 0 to 10, 1, 2, 3 we have taken, 10 to 20, 20 will not come here, 20 will go there, 20 जो है वो कहाँ जाएगा, वहाँ जाएगा. Here we have 10 to 20 only 1 and rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we will take over there. So this is, these are 9 marks, 9 student marks I have taken, the total is 9. Now this series is known as exclusive series. Next series I am telling you inclusive series. As the name suggests, inclusive series, I am taking some data like 1 to 10, 11 to what it will be, 20, 21 to 30. Okay. So this is known as inclusive series. 10 is inclusive here. Here one upper limit and lower limit will not the same. There will be a difference between. उसके बीच में क्या होगा? Difference होगा. तो I am telling you how to convert inclusive to exclusive. जो inclusive है वो exclusive में convert भी हो सकती है. Firstly, what you have to do, once upper limit and the next intervals lower limit you will take. Suppose मैं इसकी lower limit and upper limit लेती हूँ तो lower of this. The difference of these two, difference is 1. So what I will do, difference divided by 2, that is 0.5. Now I have to convert inclusive into exclusive. So that 0.5, that 0.5. What I will do, deduct from here and add to here. यहाँ से क्या कर दूँगी, deduct कर दूँगी, here it will add. So then it will be, what it will be, 0.5 to 10.5. Next, 0.5 deducted here, then it will be 9.5 to 19.5. Sorry, 20.5. Here deduct and here addition. Deduction then 20.5 to 30.5. So that is known as conversion of inclusive series into exclusive series. Okay beta. Now the next series is open AND series. As the name suggests, open AND series. Simple series you will take an example, then I will tell you the meaning of open AND series. Suppose that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 to 20. Frequency suppose 3 to 1, 3 something. So what I will do first, open AND series, that will be the below 5, because 0 to 5 it means below 5, and next is last I will rub, here will be 15 and above. So this series is known as open AND series. In that series the starting or ending will done by you by your own. Next is cumulative frequency series. Now I am telling you the meaning of cumulative frequency series. The simple series you will take by adding the frequency. Suppose I am taking over there class interval 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. Frequency is here 8, 3, 4 and 2. What you have to do? You have to convert it into cumulative frequency. So by the cumulative frequency what you will do? Firstly I will take less than method, secondly I will take more than method. If I am taking less than, so that you will take less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to write over there, that is frequency. I am taking less than 10. Less than 10, I have 8. Next, 8 plus 3, 11. Next, 11 plus 4, 15. And next, 14 plus 2, 16. This is known as less than. That is cumulative frequency because frequency is added by you. Secondly, I am taking more than frequency series. More than, my series is going to start from 5. It means I will take more than 5, more than 10, more than 15 and more than 20. And the frequency I will take. Now frequency will add from bottom to top. More than 20, only 2. Next, more than 15, that is 4 plus 2, 6. More than 10, 6 plus 3, 9. And next, what is? First was 2, 2 plus 4, 8, 8, 3, 11, 11, 4, 15, 15 and, sorry, it was 15. 15 plus 2, 17. And here, what is? 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9 and 9 plus 8, that is 17. That is known as more than method. It means cumulative frequency series. Now, the last series I am going to discuss before you, that is mid value frequency series. Suppose mid value frequency series is given to you, like mid value is given. Mid value is given and frequency like this, mid value 5, 15, 25, 35. So what I will do with the mid values? I will convert it into upper limits and lower limits and make the series. That series is known as exclusive series. So I am making that as upper limit. Upper limit, it means ki this is large and lower limit, this is less than. To whom this is less than? This is less than the mid value and this is more than the mid value. So I am taking formula m plus half of iota and m minus half of iota. So I am putting the value one by one. First I am putting 5 over there. Upper limit 5 plus half of the difference is known as iota, that is 5 plus 5, 10, or I am finding the lower limit, that will be 5 minus half of 10. So what it will be? That will be 0. So here the class interval, what will be the class interval? The class interval will be, what it will be? 0 to 10. The next I will make mid value, I will take 15, that will be 20. Here I will take 15, that will be 10. It means 10 to 20. The next I am taking 25, so it will be 20 to 30. Next will be 30 to 40. This is the mid value frequency series. That series are very important from the exam point of view also. If you will get a practical question in your exam that will relate to that, and you have to convert by taking raw data into that series. Definitely beta, I already send you the PDF of this chapter and this topic. You will solve that practical question which I gave you. I will send you one more PDF of the numerical question to solve. Thank you beta. If you are facing any problem by this chapter, you can take from me on WhatsApp, and the last chapter, next chapter we will do in next video, that is textual and tabular presentation of data. Thank you beta. Thank you so much.